Hey Bronx Park, Vijoy here. We're shooting a quick video to show you the new switcher software, actually not the switcher software, but a new switcher. So if you come down with me, thank you. This is your new switcher installed in the front of house case. And the key things that you need to know is like 5, 6, and 7. So input 5 is your ProPresenter feed. ProPresenter 6 is your stream feed, and then button 7 is GoPro if you guys hook it up for a special event. And so the basic function is if you see a green lit key, that means that's what you're going to see on your preview window. If it's red, that's what's actually going out to the projectors. And so basically, if you take a look at their screen we've hooked up here, you'll see how the ProPresenter is on the preview and the stream is on the going out. And now if you want to switch those feeds manually, you go to the preview one, so we're going to go to 5 here, and then you would hit auto. And then what you can see is you'd see the switch. It does kind of a gradual fade, and if I hit auto again, it's going to go back. And so basically on a Sunday morning, that's what you would do. You'd have the red and the green lined up. You'd probably actually start with ProPresenter, because that's what you'd usually use. And you get the stream ready to go, and then when you wanted to switch, you get that, and then you hit auto, and it would do the switch for you. But there's one other thing I wanted to show you, which is to put the test pattern on. And the way that you do that is that you go into menu. So you'll see like a preview of here, and then you go menu, and you kind of scroll through the menus until you find downstream key. So I'm going to keep scrolling here. Sorry, upstream key. And then now that I found upstream, I'm going to hit set, and it goes to key, and then right now it's on air, but if I hit set again, it goes off air. And then now you'll look, so right now it's off air, and if I hit enter again, the overlay from the green screen goes on to the stream feed, and you can see the Kids Rock message like you normally guys do. Just toggle it back and forth. And that's basically it. It's super simple. All the switcher software is exactly the same because they're the same company, and so you can still do everything from the PC, but you know, sometimes if that goes down or something, or you're setting up and the computer's not ready, you can use all the buttons to fully utilize your switcher and connect to the projectors and everything like that. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to troubleshoot with you, but really excited for you guys to try this and let us know how it goes in the next couple of weeks. Thanks.